In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change wallpaper in iPhone 8. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the two main methods to change the wallpaper on your iPhone 8. So to start, you can do this through the settings. Go over to the settings, and one of the options inside of the settings is going to be wallpaper. When you go over to the wallpaper category inside of the settings, you will be able to browse from various sources. So you have photos, where you are able to select a single photo from your photo library. You can choose people, where you are able to choose a photo of a person from your contacts. A photo shuffle, where it randomly rotates between photos saved on your library. Live photos, where you can choose a live photo available, and then stills, which are a variety of images provided by Apple. Choose whichever one you prefer, and once you select the actual category, you will be able to adjust the position and zoom level of your chosen image. So all that you have to do is go over to the settings, select wallpaper, and browse through all of the options. Once this is done, you will be able to set the wallpaper for either the lock screen or the home screen or both, and you will have it saved whenever you unlock your device or you look at the lock screen itself. Alternatively, if you are on the lock screen, you can also change the wallpaper. Just long press on the lock screen and this will open the wallpaper gallery. You can swipe left or right to choose from your existing wallpapers. You can tap the plus button available in there to add a new wallpaper, and once again, you can follow the same steps that I mentioned earlier. So you will be able to customize the position, the zoom level of your chosen image, crop it however you prefer, and set the wallpaper. It is going to be available for you to change, so whenever you are on the lock screen, you can consider just long pressing and you will be able to swipe left and right to see the saved wallpapers that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to change wallpaper in our iPhone 8. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.